Welcome back to Mars for More! At today, pagalingan sa pagdodrawing ang labanan para malaman kung sino ang Mars Magaling! Pass the Drawing ang title nito.
Okay.
Ito naman ang mechanics, itong kailangan natin gawin. Bubunot si player 1 ng word sa bowl. Meron tayong 30 seconds. Ipapadrawing ni player 1 yung word na nabunot niya. Itatap niya si player 2 na nakatalikod sa kanya. He shows him his or her drawing, tapos kukopyahin naman ito ni player 2. Tatapikin niya si player 3 na nakatalikod din sa kanya. Play based on player 2's drawing.
Okay.
Susubukan hulaan ni player 3 ang word. He'll write it on the whiteboard. Team only has 30 seconds to do this.
Ayun. Alright, so, dahil alam na natin ang gagawin, sino ang manghuhula sa inyo at
Ako
sino
na yung
ang...
third player kasi hindi ako magaling mag-drawing.
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay, at the count of 3, we start. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, kay Mars.
Wala.
Wala. Ano naman?
Grabe, artistic.
30 seconds.
Ha?
Hala!
Oh my gosh, Mars!
Hala!
Kaya mo yan!
Hala!
Hindi ako magaling mag-drawing!
9, 8,
Lagyan mo ng iwa doon, ganito!
6,
6 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0!
Mars, ano yan?
House!
House.
Piano kasi! Piano! Oh, mga pintutan, upuan!
Okay, ready? At the count of 3, you start.
Jumbo
1,
markers,
2, 3. 30
Go!
seconds starts now.
Let's go, guys. Wait, I can
Wow.
see.
Okay, I can see.
Ayan!
Ay,
I don't wanna...
okay. Pag ito hindi mo na hulangan, Manolo, ah.
I got this, I got this.
Ay,
I'm...
madali lang. 15 seconds down.
Ay, okay na yan.
Ay!
Car! Car!
Core? Ano yung core?
Car!
Car! Okay. Ano
Cereal
tama?
Okay, round 2.
Okay, tell us when your timer should start.
1, 2, 3, timer starts now.
Okay. Saka na! May chance
Mukhang
pa.
madali lang.
Ay, okay.
Oy, madali lang.
Okay.
I think.
Iya, pag di mo nakuha to, ha?
Ayusin muna ni Mars yung drawing niya. Oh! Grabe ka sa akin. Okay. Hulaan mo na. Kailangan ano?
Okay, kailangan country! Country!
Hindi mo naman sinabi na gano'n. Oh!
The correct word is
Philippine flag. Galing! Okay, go.
Oh my God!
Manolo! Ganyan mag-react. Okay. Ano yan?
Wait!
Ano yan? Oy! Hindi mo talaga alam. Ano yan? Ano yan? Hoy! Ano yan? Manolo? Ano yan? I don't know what that is. Gusto ko yung Manolo?
Sorry, guys.
Ano siya?
What is
a
it?
pot? A flower
The correct
pot?
word is laptop.
Oh my God! Paano naging laptop yan?
Tayo naman. Okay, timer starts now.
Okay.
30 seconds, ha?
Harap ka dito, kuya. Ay, flower. Specific Mars.
Specific flower.
Hirap kaya nun.
Yung
Ay!
Rose. Mali, ibang flower.
It's a rose! Kala mo, Manolo.
Okay, timer starts now.
Go, Rain!
Hoy, ang hirap nito!
Nakaubos na yung oras nyo. Nako, Rain. Bye!
Pressure.
Rain, ano yan? Ano yan? Uy, ang tagal na pala.
Wait, wala
Wala
pa.
na. 5 seconds to go.
Uy!
Hala!
Bilisan nyo.
You're drawing so
Eight,
no?
7, 6,
5,
4, 3,
Not gonna get it.
2,
Yes, you
1.
Yes!
It's a tie!
And we have a very special gift for you. Dahil
Wow!
panela pa nito.
Bagong-bago.
This is a double insulated coffee mug.
Wow.
Bawas sa glass yan. Mag-ingat kayo dahil baka mabasag.